Okay guys, quick update. I've been trying last couple of nights now, last night trying to figure out the voltage issue with this board, and so far I've come to a discovery, starting with our 161, this one over here. Now R61 is right there on the schematic. Now the problem going on here with R161, R61 is overheating. So basically the voltage regulator should have 9.5 volts. Feeding regulator getting 5 volts out. That's what should be here. We're getting 4.5 here, and on the outside, or the power supply side of our 161, you get 12.5. So the voltage across here is dropping to 4.5 to here. Now when I go across our 29, 220 ohm to transistor 29, the collector here is showing 0 volts. 0, it should be 8.3, 8.5, something like that, should be on the collector of this transistor. Collector of the transistor is showing 0.7 volts. So between there's this resistor here and this one here is taking the brunt of the short going on here, and it's overheating. And in the process of this line going down, there's enough of a voltage drop going on here that is lowering the voltage going to the audio amp, as well as to the Zener diode. The Zener diode here is putting out about 5.5 volts, and even itself should be 4.5. So I mean, yeah, the Zener is doing what it's supposed to be doing, so the Zener is fine. But the problem is coming from this side, from this circuit here. And yeah, so this 9 volt line here, source line, is dropping to 0, which is dropping the voltage across the other two as well. So this is where our problem lies right now, is on this voltage line. So we got R61 right here, and you got TR29, which is right here hiding away in there, and that one's pretty much got 0 volts on all pins. And again, he's right here. Emitter's ground, base is 0 volts, and the collector should have 8.5 volts on it. It has 0. So this is where we're sitting at right now, is on this circuit with TR29. So somewhere on the collector side of that transistor is shorted to ground. Could be a back capacitor, and it could also be these fellers here, Zener diodes, but we haven't got that far yet. So far I found that problem so far, TR29. So this circuit here, this source has the problem right now as it sits. Anyway, so tomorrow night we'll go in a little bit more into depth with it. I spent most night trying to track down what's going on, checking different voltages and such. And this is what I've come to a conclusion with so far. So first thing we got to do, we got to fix this source line. See what's going on to the output of this. See what's shorted out. I mean, this transistor itself could be shorted out, who knows. We'll find that out tomorrow. Anyways, just an update on you on the TRC-457. And we'll find out tomorrow what's going on here. Hopefully. Anyways, we'll be doing the videos, folks. More to come on this TRC-457. And a little update on the 451. The capacitor replacement kit is going to be ordered for that radio. It's going to get fully recapped. And this TRC-457 is also going to be a kit going to be ordered for this one. We're going to recap this 451. There's 457 as well. And the owner also has another TRC-457. So there's going to be 2 of these are going to get recapped. So I'm going to stick around for those videos. But as she sits now, this is where we are. We're in this corner of the board. Anyways, all the best and take her easy. It's right now 63. Out.